May I now invite the CA Nanda to kindly deliver the keynote address.
In the name of God Almighty, the most benevolent, I extend my salutations to all the inhabitants of Sultanate of Oman. A very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am truly honored to be amongst you as the keynote speaker for today's session. The chief guest of today's program, Dr. Zahran Al-Salti, Dean, CBFS College of Banking and Financial Services. My friend, Shri Iqbal Ali Khamis Al-Awati, former Senior Vice President and C&O, Central Bank of India. CBFS Board Chairman, Dr. Ahmad Ali Abdali, the Assistant Dean, Training and Continuous Education. I can see here my Honorable two past Presidents, Shri K. Raghu, Shri Manoj Fadnis, the Chairman of the ICI chapter, Shri Gaurav Kapoor. I also acknowledge the contributions of the chapters, 5 other chapters, ISACA, IIA Oman, ACFE, CFA, and ACI FMA. And ladies and gentlemen who have come here today morning to go home more enlightened. The topic of sustainability and sustainable finance is so profound that it will not take ages to evolve into it. We started first of all with environment-friendly investing. Now we have changed the entire contour. It has gone deeply into how you can use finance to change the entire ecosystem of the universe. Times were there when financial reporting was the greatest asset for accountants. Today things have changed. Non-financing reporting, particularly when it goes to listing on the major stock exchanges, has become a great impetus. The valuations which are given internationally are based largely on your non-financial reporting, on your ESG reporting, on your sustainable finance initiatives. You think about carbon credits. You think about climate changes, how green finance ultimately could create an environment whereby the world prospers in the right shape. There are so many benefits. The greatest benefit of green finance is environmental protection. Ladies and gentlemen, you are aware that the environment is now draining to its largest level of destruction. So many hazardous industries. Pollution. I was just speaking to the Dean and I said in the morning today when I got up at 5:30, when I opened my curtain, I was so happy to see the end of Oman. Zero pollution. I compliment the entire administration of Sultanate of Oman for having such clean and clear environment. We all have to understand that finance is important. We have to scale newer heights. But the ecosystem shall only exist. The universe shall only exist when we have greener initiatives. Now they have come with the second step to balance things. For example, if I run a polluting industry, I have to buy carbon credits to ensure that the pollution level is kept at the minimal. So environment protection is the first facet which defines why green environment is important. The second, economic growth. When it comes to economic growth, see how economy is growing. And with the advent of technology, artificial intelligence, blockchains, Internet of Things, data analytics, certain new things have added. But with that has come the greatest threat of the day, which is financial frauds, white-collar frauds. Green finance has to ensure that everything is done in the ambit of clean finance, free of all such frauds. Some 20 days back, I was with the SEBI chairman. SEBI is equivalent to Securities Exchange Commission. The chairman said that, Mr. Nanda, I am the chairman of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, which was set up an Act of Parliament way back on 1st July 1949. Today, we are the largest accounting body of the world with over 5 lakh members and 11 lakh students, the largest congregation of members who contribute not only to nation building, but to universe building. So the SEBI chairman told me, he said, Mr. Nanda, you have been working very nice on forensics, because we bought first time in the world 23 forensic standards. We formulated them. In case you have a financial fraud, you can simply go through the entire process outlined and you can come to the last stage where conviction can be done. So he said, I don't want postmortems. He said, we want an era where you can make early warning signs for scams that could step in. So very, very important, it is economic development. Economic development comes when there is no threat of frauds, risk management. The risk of environment is the greatest risk which we carry. And all IAI people are here, all internal audit professionals will agree that when it comes to reporting, the most important facet is risk due to environment. So green finance will ensure that there is no risk due to the environment. Long-term savings. When everything is environment friendly, the savings go for a longer term. There are no hazards. There are no such risks which come from anywhere due to the occupational hazards of pollution or bad weathers. Improved public health. Public health is something which is very important. They say a healthy mind stays in a healthy body. So the most important thing which I want to put forward to you is that environmental friendly finance, sustainable finance will ensure that the public health is taken care of at the largest parlance. Enhanced reputation. Yes, industries which have been environment friendly today are enjoying the greatest valuation on the bourses. They have the biggest asset, which is their contribution to the environment. You go ahead to addressing climate risk. You see how many, at grave rate, the climate risks are now endangering the species of human origin. We have to always address that, and that is only possible by green finance, and then supporting sustainability initiatives or sustainable development. Ladies and gentlemen, I would just diverge from my topic for a minute. India and Oman had a long-drawn friendship. I was just speaking to Shri Lawati, and we discussed how, when we take Islamic banking, he very rightly said that we should have an Islamic ecosystem whereby you can bring the international best practices and create an era where all come inside, not only with money, but with thoughts on environment. You speak of ESG, you speak about sustainability, you speak about movements into the entire world targeting green finance or carbon credits. Everything starts from one thing, which is sustainability, which is acceptable, sustainability, which is affordable. So as the President of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, I extend my full cooperation. Mr. Dean, we are with you. Any research you want, we have got a good research wing at various places situated in India. If you want any research on any topic related to finance, to investment, to systematic development, system again has become great. How to strengthen the system, how to take care of cyber attacks, how to take care of information system audits. They all have become very important, and we have to understand a long-drawn saying which says, difficult roads lead to beautiful destinations. If you want beautiful destinations, the initial has to be very, very strong. And there is a couplet in Urdu, I know most of you not understand. The couplet says, Jawani mein basaya bacha, Jawani mein zari kiya pasina, budhape mein ashko ko rokta hai. I will give the English version which says that when you work hard when you are young, you don't need to cry when you are old. As a nation, as an economy, we have to think on similar lines. I am very much impressed by the vision that Dean carries, that he chose such a topic which is very pertinent to contemporary times. Yes, our initiatives to green finance. When I took over as the President of the Institute on 12th February 2025, I announced a committee on impact financing. We are working on it. Very importantly, impact on environment, impact on green finance, impact on creating values which the further generations should relish. Not speaking much, I'm very much thankful to the Dean and the college for inviting me. I'm very much thankful to all of you for coming so early in the morning. I was very happy to know when I came, Gaurav told me, he picked me up from the hotel. He said after 8:30, everything will be fine because offices start at 8 o'clock. the best thing which you can do, this is also something which is environment friendly, to live with the wishes of Allah, to get up early in the morning, to lie down early in the evening. So all these things ultimately will usher an era where we will witness an environment which is environment friendly, will usher a planet which will give us the right to live, right to have a healthy life. Thanks a lot.